First ever unboxing video of Pixel 7 Pro is here. It's always the case with the Google to prevent leaks, and possibly the only company's phone leaked unboxing ahead of its time. This unboxing leak is from a retailer where we see the design is confirmed. There's not much we can look at, but the back of the phone looks more premium, and let's be honest, it will be the hack of fingerprint magnet. But the front looks similar to what we have seen on the Pixel 6 Pro with the same bezels and camera location. If you're the one who listens to the music a lot, then the good news is here. Google, after a very long time, trying a latest enhancement to the wireless audio with the new Bluetooth LE audio with the LC3 codec, which produce high quality at a lower bit rate and improving battery life. It also brings orchestra audio sharing, which could share between audio devices. But sad to know, there is no wireless earbud to support this technology, not even Pixel Buds Pro. Maybe after an update it could support. If you want to get a Pixel 7 or 7 Pro, then pricing is something important. And according to the source, the pricing will be the same as last year, where Pixel 7 will standing at $599 and Pro version will standing at $899. And this could be the key area where Pixel can compete with the other flagship smartphones. Keeping the price same, Google is also giving the same 6.3 inches 90Hz display on the base model of Pixel 7, and for 7 Pro it will have a 6.7 inches 120Hz display with the same Samsung display technology. Camera lovers should be happy about the new 50 megapixel main camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide, and will give a 4 megapixel telephoto sensor on a Pro version. Google should improve the telephoto to compete with their competitors because 4 megapixel is not enough. Google is going with the second generation Tensor chipset, and along with the Samsung, Google already started planning for the third generation of Tensor chipset. Pixel 7 Pro will come with Android 12 out of the box with the new features. You guys might be excited about the launch of Google Pixel 7. Pixel 7 and 7 Pro will going to launch on October 6th, and the pre-orders will start the same day. The phones will going to hit the market on October 15th. Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro appears on FCC certification, where we saw 4 individual listings, but 2 of them were the same. And Google is also keeping the UWB ultra wideband for Pro version of Pixel 7 for accurate ranging and spatial orientation with the nearby share and later digital car keys. Google is going to launch the Pixel next month, but Apple is going to launch iPhone 14 Pro Max this month. So if you want to see the hands-on video of iPhone 14 Pro Max, you can check this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.